It's that time again. We're sharing some awesome travel products with you that might make it on your next trip. I'm Tom from Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel. Check out packhacker.com for full reviews and the best buying options to support our channel at no additional cost to you. We'll leave links down below. Plus, we'll tell you how you can save on camera gear with this video's sponsor, KEH. Let's dive in. We love battery banks, though they're not always easy to pack. That's why we're pumped to see NITECORE's NB10000 Power Bank. It's super small and lightweight for its capacity, so you can take it pretty much anywhere. It's made almost entirely of carbon fiber, which makes it so light. The main downside is these sharp edges. It's pretty uncomfortable in your pocket, so it's less carryable than similar banks from other brands with rounded edges, though it's a small trade-off. Sharp corners. Ow. You got 10,000 milliamp hours to work with. That'll charge an iPhone 13 Pro or Galaxy S22 about 3 times, or the larger models, roughly twice. It comes with both USB-C and USB-A charging ports that charge independently, so you can top up the battery in one device simultaneously or 2 devices at once. There's even a low current mode for small gear, so if you want to put that in, you just tap and hold the button, and then a small white LED comes on, indicating it's in low current mode. It's recommended for low-powered tech accessories like wireless headphones or a smartwatch to preserve battery life. Just pay attention to the bank's LED indicator. It looks halfway full even when it's at 100%, unlike other battery banks that use 4 blinking lights to show percentage left. To check in, tap the button once to turn the light on and twice for back off. With this Sling, Bellroy really embraces the mentality of if it ain't broke, don't fix it. If it looks familiar, that's because this is the 6-liter version of the original 9-liter Venture Sling. It's essentially the same design, just in a smaller footprint. You can unzip it from both sides to get gear on either side of the main compartment without opening it fully. This is also a great feature for lefties. There's a surprising amount of room inside too. The front pocket has a paracord key leash and 2 stretchy pockets for small gear. On the other hand, bulky gear like a small water bottle or power bank fit in any of the main compartment's pockets. We also dig the raised sunglasses pocket that keeps your shades away from potential scratches. And because I know some of you are gonna ask down in the comments, yes, this fits a Nintendo Switch. One of the main things that we like about this Sling is the self-compression system on the sides. The straps are designed to cinch the bag down once it's fitted to your body. Its straps create a low-profile shape, especially if you want to go up in size to fit more gear. On top of these 6 and 9-liter options, there's also a 10-liter camera version. And here are all the different sizes of the Sling. Can you put on a trumpet noise, Maria, please? It has the same dual zipper opening and ditches a few pockets for camera dividers. There's also heavy padding on the back panel and shoulder strap, which helps with comfort when you're hauling away heavy camera equipment. Plus, there are detachable straps on the bottom to hold a tripod. These are a lot of the features that we look for in photography-focused gear. It's just as important to find the right bag as the kit that goes inside. Another awesome travel product to pack is a quality camera. If you want to dive into photography without going into the red, check out KEH, this video's sponsor. They're a top reseller of camera gear at a fraction of the cost. You can save up to 40% on brands like Nikon, GoPro, Sony, and more. Browse through over 60,000 cameras, bags, and accessories to build your kit. Their products are thoroughly inspected and include a generous warranty and return window, minimizing the risk of buying used gear. Whether you're a professional or just getting started, they have the gear you need. Find the best camera to snap a sunset photo on the last day of your trip, or pick up a trusty tripod when you need a steady hand. And if you're not sure where to start, you can always chat with their gear experts. They can help you choose between brands or point you in the direction of a product that best suits your needs. When it's time for something new, ask about their trade-in program. By upgrading your used cameras and accessories, you'll help others start on their photography journey with the tools you've outgrown. Check out the description below for an exclusive discount at KEH and pick up the right camera gear for your next trip. Now let's get back to the awesome travel products. If you need a day pack and a short-term travel bag, grab something in the middle. The Trakke roll top has a big interior, but it's not oversized. You've got 21 liters of fun to work with, so it's great for weekend trips. Or take everything out but your essentials and use it as an everyday bag. What makes it so versatile is the roll top. If you're carrying a few days worth of gear, roll it once and really take advantage of the literage. Or add a couple extra rolls when the bag is emptier to make it compact. Its organization is pretty basic. You can put small gear in the front compartment while the main compartment is pretty much empty. That said, dark colorways can make it hard to see inside, so keep that in mind if you have a lot of dark pouches and cubes. On the plus side, the stiff opening edge holds things open as you grab stuff out. It also acts as a guide for your rolls, so they're always even. So satisfying. We really dig the materials too. The dry wax canvas doesn't leave a residue like regular wax, and you still get that patina after a while. Overall, this pack is a solid option if you like a heritage look that still has a modern feel. Nite Ize makes carabiners in a ton of different styles, and they're all great for certain things. We're big fans of the classic S-beaner because of the size variety, and the S-beaner microlock for its lockable design. However, you get the best of both worlds with the S-beaner SlideLock. It has that classic S-beaner shape with added security. Hard plastic tabs slide along the gate and slide into the gap to lock it in place. This way you don't need to worry about gear slipping out if you accidentally bump the carabiner. We've seen this happen on the non-locking versions a couple of different times. There are a few different material options as well. We like the aluminum because it's lightweight, and there's also a stainless steel version if you want added durability. Either way, these things are pretty sturdy. These come in a variety of sizes too. Go for the number 2 if you want a small carabiner to attach keys inside your pack if you're missing a key leash. Or size up to the number 3 and clip larger items like a hat to your bag. If you need even more space, the number 4 is great for hanging bulky gear like a water bottle or pair of wet shoes. There's also a size 10, which is just wildly large. No matter the size you pick, it is unlikely that your gear is going to fall off anytime soon. The biggest perk of solid crystal deodorant is how TSA-friendly it is. Not to mention you get a ton of uses per stone. This naked tie crystal deodorant stone from Vasarii is a great go-to if you want to cut down on the liquids you pack. It's made with mineral salt, so you won't be flagged at security. It doesn't leave residue on clothing either, which is great if you wear a lot of black like me. It comes in a compact and sturdy 2.5-ounce case. In our experience, it lasts about 2 to 3 months and fits in pretty much any Dopp kit. However, there's a bit of a learning curve, which is kind of ridiculous to say with deodorant, to be honest. It takes a little longer to reapply compared to regular deodorant sticks. And because it's mineral deodorant and not an antiperspirant, there's a chance you'll need to detox some aluminum before you fully adjust. However, I've used this deodorant style for a couple of years now, and the benefits are hard to beat, especially if you're traveling a lot. Just like crystal deodorant, lotion bars are great for TSA too. The Bite Body Balm Solid Moisturizer is water-free, so it won't count against your liquid allowance. If you want to play it safe, it's also compact enough to fit in a clear, quart-sized baggie. Can you cut in like a Bite Body Balm? Bite Body Balm. Unlike similar bars, it's a hands-free way to put on lotion. Instead of holding the moisturizer directly, this has an aluminum case to grip while you apply. When you need more, push up on the bottom like a push pop and it'll expose more of the bar. When you run out, replacement is easy. Just remove the bottom of the case, insert a new lotion container, and you're good to go. Don't worry, the insert comes with directions if you forget. Even though it's easy to use, it is also way too easy to over-apply. It goes on dry, so it's hard to realize you've used too much until it's already on. Bite says that one container replaces up to 40 ounces of regular lotion, though we're going through it pretty fast. However, the lotion itself works pretty well. It can take a while to absorb, though it leaves your skin feeling soft when it does. Convenience is everything when you're traveling, especially for gear like toiletries. You can tell that Aer put a lot of thought into their travel kit too, and it makes getting ready a little smoother. It's an updated version of their original travel kit, and Pack Hacker Pro members got a first look before launch day. There are little quality of life features just sprinkled throughout. On top of the toothbrush storage inside, there are also 2 external pockets so your brush heads can air dry. And you can leave the kit hanging from a towel rack in the bathroom. The hanger rotates 360 degrees and tucks away when you're not using it. The organization is really what makes this thing shine though. There are 2 large zippered pockets outside and 2 inside for flat and small gear like nail clippers or a comb. One of the pockets is mesh and easily expands to fit awkwardly shaped gear too. There's a bucket style main area for the rest of your stuff. It's really easy to pack when lying flat and holds large bottles in place when it's hanging up. There are also loops for toiletry bottles, though they're a little bit tight and we don't use them often. The boxy shape makes it super easy to pack. It slots in nicely with pretty much any travel pack and is a great option if you have a few days worth of toiletries to carry. In fact, we like this thing so much that we included it in our vacation packing list. So check that out in the description below. So there you have it, some awesome travel gear that might make it onto your list before your next trip. Leave a comment down below with your favorite piece of travel gear at the moment, because remember, some of the best recommendations come from you, the Pack Hacker community right here on YouTube. And don't forget to check out KEH, this video's sponsor, for some great discounts on camera gear. Link down below. Thanks for keeping it here at Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel. We'll see you in the next video.